Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I'll be showing you guys how I made this afro natural looking hair, and the measurement I took down for my front line to my nape is 14.5 inch like you saw earlier, and I'm going to be using my pins to just pin the measurements out so I don't miss track of whatever I am doing. So I'm going to be just holding my measuring tape down so I don't lose track. And for today's video I'll be using this deluxe net which I got from my local beauty supply store, and it's affordable. So guys, I'm going to be using the hard net out of this pack because it comes in two, so it comes in soft and in a harder texture for the net. So I'm just going to pin down where I pinned down earlier, like just not to also lose track, and so I'll be able to cut it well. So that's why I'm pinning them down, as you all can see. So once I'm done pinning it down, I'm going to go in by cutting it. And as you saw earlier, like when I was placing it, you see I didn't just place it right in the middle. I actually placed the edge side first, so I'll still be able to use the other part of the net, so I don't use all the whole net. And that was why I started from the other end, so I'll just cut in the middle of the other one left. So what I'm going to be doing right now is using my machine to just make it clean, like, so I'll be able to like add the clips. So if you don't have a machine, you can use your needle and thread, but I have a machine, so I used my machine, and I just wanted to save time for myself. I mean, machines save a whole lot of time because I actually didn't spend more than 30 minutes to do this hair. I promise you I only spent like just, it wasn't even up to 30 minutes because of the machine I used. So if you have a machine, that's perfect. If you don't have a machine and you're very good at using your needle and thread, that's also perfect. Just do it neatly, okay? And when you use your needle and thread or your machine, the net that was actually looking hard, or like looking like it had wings and it could not slip down, it's definitely going to start laying down flat once you sew it with whatever instruments you have. So y'all, this is what the net is looking like, and I ended up cutting it curvy, so it just have this nice look. That's it. That's why you can actually keep working normally after you sew though. So this is the Cuban twist I'm going to be using for today's tutorial, which I ended up cutting into four. I ended up cutting it into 4 parts because of the length I want. So guys, first of all, do not put a whole chunk or bunch of this hair into the net. It's going to break your net first of all, and it's going to even break your needle, that's your crochet pin, and it's also going to not look good at all. So do not do a whole bunch of this hair. Just divide it like you see now and just pull it through, and it's going to be very easy. And it's also going to even make your wig and your work look perfect and natural once you go in with a little piece, not too small though, like just normal. But when you want to do it so fast and you want to like keep putting big chunks of all this, do not do it. It's going to ruin your work, I promise you. And now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the video to help me promote my channel, and comment, ask whatever question you want to ask, and I am always here for anybody. I promise I'll be here for you. Whatever, just feel free. So just to cut the whole long story short, and I know you guys already know how to install it, so I didn't want to show you guys the whole installation to get you bored. No, so I'm just going to add like little pieces smaller than the ones I put in the middle, so that the front of the wig is going to be looking neat and nice. That is just how to perfect and do a finishing touch. Add little pieces of the hair in front. So guys, I'm going to go in after adding the front or making it perfect. I'm just going to fold the other sides, that's the blunt side, inwards, and then this is how it looks like after I folded it inwards, so I can be able to add my clips or combs, whatever you want to put in front. You just act, or yeah, to act as a hold, or yeah, to the wig. That's just what you do. So I ended up adding like six, no, sorry, not six. I ended up adding 8 clips, 4 at each side, and then 2 in front. That's 10 clips. Okay, I added 4 clips at each side and 2 at the front and at the back. Okay, so that's 1 in front, 1 in back. Sorry, I'm confusing you guys, but yeah, that's what I ended up adding. I added 10 clips. So I just go in by trimming, bringing it out, making it have this natural look, pulling it out, and just doing the normal finishing touch to this beautiful wig. Now guys, this is the clip I'm going to be using for today's hair, and I told you earlier I did 10 of this, 1 in front, 1 at the back, 4 at each side. Okay, so that's 10, and it's pretty much very affordable because I think I bought it for like 99 cents or something. Yeah, it wasn't that expensive, and it comes in 3s in just 1 pack for 99, so it was enough. Okay, so I'm going to be using my smooth sheen to just do my final touch, to make it shine, to make it smell nice, and voila, this is what we have. So this is what the inside is looking like before I added the clips. Okay, now my installation, and this is what the wig is looking like, guys. What do you think? So before I continue, I just braided one side, and I didn't braid the other side because I wanted to see how natural it was gonna look. And trust me, this wig looks exactly and extremely natural. It's nice and fine. If you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video, and also give it a big thumbs up. I'll see you all on my next video. Stay blessed, stay safe, stay happy, stay beautiful, stay clean. I love you all. Bye.